So let's jump right into it. Let's start with the Amex Gold updates. Chris, what's going on?
Yeah, the Express Gold Card just announced some updated benefits. And if you have one in your wallet, you can breathe a sigh of relief because it's only getting better. Or if you've been considering applying, now is a great time. This card has long been a fan favorite because it earns 4x membership rewards points at restaurants. You can get up to $50,000 per year. That isn't changing. But if you like to travel like we do, there are some benefits that you will love. Now you'll be able to earn more on travel. You'll be able to get 5x points on prepaid hotels at Amex Travel and through the Amex Travel app. Previously, that was just 2x, so this is great. You're going to be able to get Hertz 5-star status now. Nice little perk. And there are some new dining partners. Right now, card members get up to $120 in dining credits. That's in $10 statements per month at 5 partners. But now there are 2 new ones. The Buffalo Wild Wings and Wonder are the new additions. Goldbelly and Wine.com are exiting the program. Enrollment is required for that, but that's a nice little perk. This is in addition to the long list of benefits that the Amex Gold Card has and will continue to offer without raising the annual fee of $325. So that value prop just got a little bit better.
Yeah, definitely. And they also announced through October 30th, there's a special deal for Uber One membership. You can enroll and get a one-time statement credit of up to $96 when using your gold card to pay for an annual Uber One membership. So be sure to do that. And then also just in the Amex ecosphere, there is a Hilton Honors Points transfer bonus right now. You can receive a 20% bonus through May 30th. And there is an Amex travel offer for select properties in the hotel collection. So if you have that gold card or the Amex Platinum card, take a peek at the hotel collection. You can get special rates like complimentary third night, a complimentary fourth night, 25% off rooms. There's all kinds of different deals. I'm sure they're targeted and for very specific hotels. And that is available through July 15th. So those are some another great couple benefits to keep an eye on.
Yeah, this is like I said, this is a fan favorite card, so it's always nice to see new perks without an increasing annual fee.
Yeah, that's definitely good news.